Hello.
So today what we are going to do in the Eco Club? What is special today? Let us ask Premlata ma'am. What is special today? Yes ma'am. What is special today?
As you know that every day we are going to the market, we are purchasing lots of things. So how we are bringing them?
Yes, we are bringing them in the polythene bags. So what do you think? The use of polythene bags that is favorable for us? What do you think?
No, it's not favorable.
We have to avoid it.
We have to throw it,
Okay,
right? So, what we
are going to do? Today what we are going to do? To discourage use of plastic bags. Right? It means something we need that can replace the plastic bags. Okay. So what we can use? We are going to encourage the use of paper or cloth bags. So let us study, let us read how to make the paper bags. In the similar way, you can also make the cloth bags as well. Okay? So for making the paper bags, what we need now?
We need this paper.
Yes.
And we need the glue. Right? So these two things are just required for making the paper bag.
Wow, I'm also going to make side by side, right?
So you can use the newspaper that we are having at our home, or we can use some waste sheets that are present after doing lots of activities. Some pasting activity. Okay?
Yeah, what I have done, I have folded both the sheets so that I can make a card bag. Okay? So I have folded both the sheets. Now we are going to make the paper bag. Let us see how. So first of all, we will fold the paper sheet like this way. Ma'am, you can also fold it.
Right. So even I have used this colorful sheet, and inner side I pasted a newspaper so as to make it a harder one. Right. So now how to make it? Just now we will fold it from the center, but not the approximately equal, little back. Okay. So that we can turn this side on it. We can join it, right? Okay. So in this way, I just folded the sheet and turned it on this. Now what I will do, we are taking the glue. With the help of glue, I will join it.
Very good.
You can also join, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to do that.
See, now my paper is joined here. I need to join the another fold here, like this. What is our next step? To close this sheet from the bottom. Okay? So from bottom, how can we do? We just turn little this one, like this. We will fold it. Now we will unfold it. After unfolding, what we will do? By keeping our fingers like this, from the inner side, we will settle it like this from the corners. Just like this. We have settled from the both corners. Now we will join these two sides. So I will make a one another fold.
Yes,
like this.
One another fold.
This is one fold, and this next one fold will come over it. So I will use Fevicol here or the glue here. Like this. This one also used here so that it can join. Nothing should come out of it. Like this. And this is our next side. We will turn it over it like this. You can see that these two folds are joined together, and this side is just like this. Okay. So in this way, this paper is closed from the bottom.
Yes, but how to hold it?
Yeah.
How to hold it?
We need some steps here.
Yeah, please.
How we can use?
Yeah,
we can
how to hold it, how to carry it?
We can use some steps. Like I am having these ribbons.
Wow,
I can use these ribbons, right?
Okay.
So these two ribbons we can use.
Wow.
Or if we have the thread at our home, some much stronger thread, we can use that one also. So I need like this one, length, ribbon.
This much.
Okay.
Not more than that.
We can cut it like this. So with the help of glue, we will join it from the inner side. But one more thing before joining, like this side is not looking good.
Yeah.
So what
so
we can do?
We can do the fold from
We
here,
can
right?
fold it from here. So again, what we will do? Just turning like this much. We will turn it, and we will fold this side to the inner side. So again, we will just settle it like this so that it can go inner side like this, and we will turn it to the inner side. Just from the corners. First of all, we will do from here. Now
And we
the
need to
hole.
paste it from inner side also, ma'am?
We can paste or we can avoid the pasting. If you
Okay.
want to make it stronger, you can paste it so that it will not come out again and again.
Yes.
So like this, we will fold like, okay. So let us use the glue. Now its border is looking little good. Okay. So let us use glue to join it again. This side and this side also. Like this. You can also use, ma'am.
Okay.
So see, now these two sides are joined and it is looking little nice. Okay, a proper bag is looking like this. This is our bag. Now it is almost ready. The last step is making its strips or joining the strips. Okay, so we already cut these strips. We will just join these. So I am using again the glue on the two ends.
Or we can also make a hole.
Yes,
in between
with the help
paper.
of hole we
Right,
can also
that's
join.
also easier, right? Yeah.
Or I can join if you want, like with the stapler we can also join it. So one at the one end, another strip at the next end. Right? So this one is made
But it will take some time to get dry, right?
to fix it. So we will leave it undisturbed for some time and it will fix. It will become stronger. Like this. You can see our paper bag is ready, but we need to keep it without disturbing so that these strips may harden after some time with the help of glue. Okay, so in this way our one paper bag is ready. What we all can do for here, we can also decorate it. How to decorate? Okay, this one paper bag is ready. Our next step is to make it little nice, to decorate it. So for decorating it, we can use some cutting work. Okay, like we have cut some stars here. Okay, we can use these stars to make it beautiful. Like this. You're ready, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes.
Ready.
Paper bag is ready. Very good.
But it
Now-
will take some time.
Let us take, ma'am, 2 stars. Use these. Okay.
Okay.
So we are just joining these 2 stars. Use your glue. It's like this. I pasted 1 star here. You can also use any other decorative material that you are having. Okay. In this way, many more stars you can paste on it to make it much more beautiful. Okay. So next time when we all will go for shopping, for purchasing something, we should have our just like these paper bags instead of using the plastic bags.
And even children, you can also prepare in the similar way. You can also prepare the bag from the clothes, right? So prepare the cloth bags also at home, and just ask your mama, papa, brother, sister to carry that bag with them whenever they go for the shopping. Okay?
So we all have prepared these bags. You all can see. Ma'am, you can show your bag too.
Oh.
Yes, we prepared lots of bags here.
Lots of bags.
You all can
Nice.
see.
You just see, I have prepared the bag from the name of Gilco International School. Right? Isn't it beautiful? You can pick your bit like this. Okay, let us move for the shopping. Bye-bye.
Thank you.